This right here is interior package for an air conditioner unit. We have the Coleman Mach 3 unit. To be able to access the air filter is just simply 4 screws in each corner, and just pull these knobs right down, drops that down, and you can get access to the filter and any maintenance inside the air unit that you need to do. Return air filters for the AC units need to be cleaned. From the outside, it may not look like anything too dirty. Flip it over and check the filter, and it is very dirty. This is all on the return air side, so it needs to be cleaned out. You can blow it out with air or wash it off with soap and water. All it needs to do is just be cleaned, just like this side, and it'll be ready to go for another season. This is what the inside of the air conditioner unit looks like with the interior package off. This is the induction side port. The output's right below this cover. To get to the output side to check the ducts, simply just pull the screws off right here. And this is just on a simple Mach 3 Coleman air conditioner unit. Another thing to look for, once you get the return air filter down, you can pull your interior assembly out, and you can check over how the installation was of your ducting on the bottom of your air conditioner unit. This is the output side because this is the fan, and it blows into ducts on both sides. This one, you can see to the duct, there's nothing sealing right there. So, as I've always noticed, the air doesn't seem to be very cold and I don't get a lot of airflow. It's because it's blowing just directly into the roof. Simple way to do it is take foil tape top and bottom and all the way around, and go all the way around the sides to seal it up. Another place it can seep air through is right here along this seal, where it goes from output side down back over to the input side. You can actually just end up having air cycle constantly on itself and never actually get out into your ducts and go through the rest of the unit. And this is what a simple foil tape job on the inside of the air conditioner unit would look like. As you can see, smooth transitions, smooth corners, and there are no longer gaps across all the vent areas. And on this side, you can see that there are no more gaps on the top as well. So everything is sealed up and will help everything move and flow more efficiently.